Boys and girls, the big Mercedes coupe. Don't worry, it's the Kubota that's ticking over, not the Merc. These are fantastic cars, aren't they? Really good value for money. We'll have a look round this one, see what we've got. That's a fancy thing as well. You see the way the door hinges go on these? Come right out. Clever, aren't they? Lovely inside. No excess wear. We'll have it fired up in a minute. Warning triangles in the boot. See what we've got underneath. Few tools, spare wheel, jack, some spares, spare grille, a few bits and pieces in the back there then, guys. Keys in it, let's have it fired up. What have we got? 133. Have a quick look under the bonnet. Now I might need two hands for this, possibly. A bit of a tricky going on with one hand. Oh no, got it, there you go. There she is. It's a right level car, this, guys. Private plate, I assume, goes with it. If it's a deal breaker, please double check that with the office. But I've heard nothing to the contrary. There we have it, guys. Young Jack's taken a load of photographs for you. So together with the video, hopefully that's given you a bit of an idea as to what we've got. The next step is to come down and have a look. I'll just do that last wheel at the front there for you. Looks nice and clean to me, but you'll see when you come down. There you go, the big Merc.